I have to take some photos. So where's the magpie? He's he's over there.
Oh, he's gone over there, has he? That's alright.
Yeah. I will take a short film of this bird's nest with two babies in it. So this morning I was just pruning all these bushes and I come across this nest with two frightened little birds. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? There they are. Look. What sort of birds are these? You don't know? Oh, two of them. There. This is the first nest that I found this spring in the garden. The first one. There seems to be not much birds nesting around here. Don't be frightened, little birdies. I'm just taking a few photos of you. They found a really nice and cozy bush to keep the baby birds. Okay. I will not disturb them anymore until they fly away. Soon they will fly.